Hello students, welcome to SSD educational classes and I am your instructor Kashish Mehra, and today we are going to study about contribution of Elton Mayo in management. Let's see about the introduction of Elton Mayo. George Elton Mayo was an Australian born psychologist, industrialist, researcher and organizational theorist. Mayo was formally trained at the University of Eldon, acquiring a Bachelor of Art degree, graduating with first class honor, majoring in philosophy, psychology, and was later awarded an honorary Master of Art degree from the University of Queensland. Some of the major contribution which was given by Elton Mayo was in developing management thought was follows. They are divided into four parts, that is human relation approach, non-economic award, social men, organizational as a social system. Let's study detail about in this approach. He has given four approaches related to management. Mayo was the first person to plead for the understanding of workers' problem to the context of growth of science and technology. He has focused on the problems of workers which was faced at that time. He wished the management to understand the problems of worker and make the effort to redress them. The first approach he has given was human relationship approach. Mayo is rightly called the father of human relation movement. His idea was a milestone and a turning point in human relation approach of the management. He recognized the most important of human being in management. He said that human beings are complex and influence input into organizational performance, because if human beings are well trained, well explained and given many facility, they will perform their better. The social and psychological need of human being cannot be ignored. If we ignore social and psychological needs of human being or worker, we cannot give them facility and they will not give us performance better. If management want to enhance the productivity, it is very necessary for the management to give facilities and give importance to the human relationship. Next point he told us about the non-economic award. The earlier assumptions was that worker will work more if they are offered more monetary incentives. Taylor was the main proponent of this approach, but according to the Elton Mayo, he said that the technique of economic incentives was not only inadequate but also unrealistic. He was able to show that humane and respectful treatment, sense of participations and belonging, recognition, morale and human pride and social interaction are the main important rewards for the workers. They are not the monetary rewards, but they are non-monetary rewards which will motivate them to work in the organization. It means monetary as well as non-monetary rewards are important for the workers. Next point says that about the social man, Mayo developed the concept of social man. He said that man is basically motivated by the social needs and obtain his sense of identity through the relationship with other. It means not only the monetary rewards are useful, but when we create relationship with other persons in the organization, it is also an important aspect for the productivity increasement. He is more responsive to the social force of the informal group rather than managerial incentives and control. He also related productivity to the social phenomena. In short, he says that if we give comfortable environment to the worker in the organization, they will give us higher productivity level. And the fourth point, he says that organization as a social science. In Mayo word, an organization is a social science, a system of quill, grapevine, informal status system, rituals and the minutes of logical, non-logical and illogical behavior. He was of the opinion that managers should maintain an equilibrium between the logical of efficiency demanded by the formal organization. He thought that beside logical and fact, people are also guided by the sense and feeling. In short, Mayo want to say that if we provide social, logical or comfortable environment to the worker and the feeling they created in the organization, they will work for the more production. They will get satisfied and they will work for more production. So these 4 points are given by the Elton Mayo. Hope student you have understood well. If there is any problem, you can give comment in the comment box. Thank you.